Good morning student. Today we are going to learn next point present on the page number 64, that is regulation. What is mean by regulation? Before learning this point, I want to tell you one interesting thing. In summer season, all of you have enjoyed to eat the ice ball. Also, all of you have seen the making process of ice ball, which is prepared by the ice cream maker on the street. He take the large ice slab, then he shredded that ice slab. Shredded means to make small pieces of a ice slab. Then what he do? He pressurized this shredded ice around the tip of a stick, wooden stick. Then for the preparation of ice ball, he press the shredded portion of ice around the tip of a stick. Then that shredded portion of a ice ball does not melt, that it will become a solid due to pressure. And what will happen if two small pieces of ice are taken and pressed against each other? They will stick to each other. That is that shredded ice. Shredded means to make a small pieces. That shredded ice, when pressurized or given them a pressure, these small ice pieces stick to each other around the wooden stick, and in this way the ice ball is prepared by the ice cream maker on the street. All of you have seen this process. So this phenomenon is related with the regulation. How? You can see when that ice, large slab of ice is just shredded, then it does not melt. When you give the pressure to the small pieces of ice, they will stick, or they will stick to each other, or they will stick to the wooden stick. That is due to pressure, their melting point of the ice is lowered. So this phenomena is related with the pressure. Regulation, this phenomena is related with the pressure. So regarding to that, one experiment is given in your textbook. What is that experiment? You can see here, one ice slab is taken. On that ice slab, the metal wire is placed. Then two equal weights are present in the hanging position to this metal wire. Then this metal wire is put on the ice slab. Then what will happen? This metal wire penetrate into the ice slab. That is, it goes deep. Penetration means to go deep. This metallic wire goes deep inside the ice slab. When it come out from this ice slab or to the lower end of the ice slab, then you can see the ice slab is not break down, or there is no cutting of ice slab. Why does this happen? This is due to the phenomenon of regulation. That is, the ice does not break though metal wire goes deep inside the ice slab. You can do such a type of experiment in your home also. You can see this metallic wire goes deep inside the ice slab. When it come out from the lower end, you can see this ice slab remains as it is. There is no two equal parts of the ice. There is no breaking of ice. This is called as a regulation. Now what is the definition? The phenomenon in which ice is converted into liquid due to applied pressure. Here you can see you are going to apply the pressure of metallic wire. The phenomenon in which ice convert to liquid due to applied pressure and then reconvert into ice once the pressure is removed. That is, this wire goes deep inside the ice slab and come out. So pressure is released. So here the ice converted into liquid again reconvert into ice. So it is called as a regulation. Now you can see why regulation occur. Regarding to that, 3 questions are given in use your brain power. You can see in the above experiment, wire moves through the ice slab. The ice slab does not break. What is the reason or why? So answer of that question is, the melting point of ice become lower than 0 degree due to applied pressure. That is, melting point of ice become lower than 0 degree due to applied pressure, At 0 degree, ice get converted into water. As soon as pressure is removed, the melting point is restored to 0 degree and water get again reconverted into ice. That is, in this phenomena, ice first converted into water. When pressure is removed, then water is again converted into ice. So there is no breaking of ice. Due to pressure, melting point of ice is lowered. Now, next question, is there any relationship of latent heat with a regulation? Answer is yes. We know that what is meant by latent heat. During the conversion of phases from ice to water, water to water vapors, heat is absorbed. During reverse transformation, heat is released. Here is also ice first converted into water, again water converted into ice. That is, during this transformation, heat is absorbed and released. So there is a relationship between latent heat and regulation. Answer is as. During conversion of ice into water, heat is absorbed, and again at reconversion from water into ice, heat is released. So there is a relationship between latent heat and regulation. Now question 3. As we go higher than sea level, boiling point of water decreases. What will happen in case of melting point? That is, as we go higher from the sea level, suppose you go to mountain level, then what will happen? Pressure decreases. Always remember, as we go higher, pressure decreases, and due to decrease of pressure, there is an effect on melting point and boiling point. So you can see here, boiling point of water decreases as we go higher from the sea level. What will happen in case of melting point? So you can see question number 3 answer. As we go higher than sea level, melting point of solid that expand on melting. Some solid expand on melting. So what will happen in case of that metals? That expand on melting is lowered due to decreasing pressure. And second, the melting point of solid that contract on melting is raised. That is, their melting point increases. Here the solid that expand on melting is lowered due to decreasing pressure. That is, melting point decreases. In case of solid that expand on melting, and in case of solid that contract on melting, their melting point increases due to decreasing pressure. So these are the answer of 3 questions. What is by regulation? The phenomenon in which ice convert to liquid due to applied pressure and then reconvert to ice once pressure is removed. So this phenomenon is related with the pressure.